front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to tap on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll again, this time click on Vibration and Haptics, and use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to enable or disable them. If you decided to activate them, you can also manage all of those switchers next to all of those features. Ring vibration, and if you decided to enable this one, vibrate first, then ring gradually. Notification vibration, alarm, touch feedback, and media. When you finished, go back, scroll all the way down and tap on those switchers as well to manage charging sounds and vibration, vibrate when connected or end, and last but not least, always show icon when in vibrate mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!